क्या आप भी बैठे बैठे महीने के लाखों कमाना चाहते हैं? बुक लेके बैठिए, आज हम पढ़ने वाला इंपॉर्टेंट 50 MCQs ज्योग्राफी के क्लास 12th 2026 बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी इज द सिंथेटिक स्टडी ऑफ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन ह्यूमन सोसाइटी एंड अर्थ सरफेस। ये परिभाषा रेड जल ने दी थी। ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी इज द स्टडी ऑफ चेंजिंग रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द अनरेस्टिंग मैन एंड द अनस्टेबल अर्थ। ये परिभाषा एलन सी सैम्पल ने दी थी। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट सब फील्ड ऑफ ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी? पॉपुलेशन ज्योग्राफी, इकोनॉमिक ज्योग्राफी, फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी एंड सोशल ज्योग्राफी। इसका आंसर है फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी। द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ स्टॉप एंड गो determinism new determinism was produced by radial valency graphic Taylor sample. ये Griffin Taylor. Which of the following is the important factor of interaction between people and environment? Human intelligence, technology, people precipitation, human brotherhood, technology. Which approach human geography emphasizes the uniqueness of the place, region, areal differences? Behavior approaches, quantitative evolution, areal differences approach, humanistic approach. Answer है areal differences. Which school of thoughts in human geography used Marxian theory of explain poverty, depravatives and social inequalities? Answer है radical geography. Which one of the following is not an approach of human geography? D. Exploration and description. Which concept implies that human beings have the capacity of freedom to change their environment rather than being completely dictated by nature? Answer है positivism. Which of the following elements is not part of cultural environment? Climate. Which of the following element is called mother nature? C. Physical environment. Which of the following is not branch of human geography? Physical geography. Which French geographer is known for the concept of possibilism? Paul Vidal de la Blanche. According to which approach do human beings respond to the concentrate to earth but still exercise choice? C. New determinism. Which of the following is a source of geographical information for human geography? All of the above. Travels account, old map, ancient epics. What does the term ideology denoted to context of geographical study? C. Description. Quantitative thoughts become popular in geographical studies in option D, late 1950s. The study of human geography emphasizes all of the following except physical process only. Which concept indicate that humans were once dominated by nature and gradually loosened its shackles via technology? A. Naturalism of humans. The core concerns of study geography is to understand that the earth is home of human beings and study all those elements which have sustained them, true or false. True. Anthropogeography is work by which geographer? Redjal. Which of the following is not true about the discipline of geography? C. Irrelevant in modern times. Under which larger branch does the study of leisure geography fall? Social geography. Which of the following is considered the mother discipline? Geography. The phase of exploration and description of human geography was permitted during period early colonial period. Option A. Which factor is abiotic in the intersect between humans and environment? Option C. Relief and climate. Relief and climate. Option C. Question number 27. Which subfield of human geography is concerned with medical issue and spatial distribution of diseases? Medical geography. Option C. The concept of areal differentiation largely implies uniqueness and particularity of region. True or false? Option A. True. Which school emphasizes human precipitation of space and place rather than objective spatial structure? Behavior geography. The study of human geography is especially relevant today because of increasing discord between humans and nature, rising environmental changes. True or false? True. Who is regarded as father of geography? Friedrich Ritzel. Which of the following is the best described neo-determinism? Option C. Human follow nature limits but can adjust using technology. Which is the main concern of human geography? B. Spatial organization of human phenomena. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Option C. Neo-determinism, Griffith Taylor. Human geography is closely related to which social science? B. Economics. Which one of the following revolution accelerated the process by human environment interaction? Option B. Industrial revolution. In which geography the term region means? C. An area with homogeneity. Which one of the following reflect the scope of human geography? Study of population and migration. What is the core idea behind possibilism? Nature dictate all human action. Human are passive agents. Human can modify nature using knowledge and technology. Nature and human are unrelated. Option C is का human can modify nature using knowledge and technology. The word geography has been derived from which language? Greek. Who wrote the book Principle of Human Geography? A. Ellsworth Huntington. Which type of geography focus on studying political boundaries and power division? Political geography. Which term describes the adaptation of nature by human beings? B. Humanization of nature. Stop and go determinism indicates balanced relationship between nature and human. The term environmental determinism means? B. Environmental determinism, human actions. Which of the following statement is true? B. Human geography study dynamic relationship between man and nature. Which of the following grapher is associated with determinism? Option C, Radial. The study of human geography starting systematical in the 19th century. Which of the following factor made man powerful over nature? Answer option B, scientific knowledge and technology. Which of the following approaches tries to find laws and generalization? Option B, nomo. Which of the following approaches try to find laws and generalization? Option B, nomothetic approach. तो यहाँ पे ये 50 MCQ ख़त्म होता है पहले चैप्टर की। ये हमारी नई शुरुआत है जिसको आप सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के माध्यम से।